Welcome back to Spy Garage.
An important turning point in the luxury Super C motorhome industry has been reached with the launch of the best-selling floor plan into the Dynamax Europa series, namely the new Europa 34SS model. This calculated move by Dynamax blends the Europa's distinctive fusion of strong engineering, elegant design, and comfortable comfort with a tried-and-true, highly desired interior configuration. The end product is an RV that promises to provide a genuinely remarkable vacation experience, satisfying discriminating consumers who seek both superior design and useful utility. The Europa 34SS carefully thought-out floor plan is the main factor in its allure. The bestseller label attests to a design that has been refined via market success and a great deal of input, guaranteeing a very practical and easy-to-use living area. The motorhome's outstanding sense of openness belies its compact for its class length thanks to the 34SS arrangement, which intelligently makes the most of every square foot. This is accomplished by carefully planning the living spaces, emphasizing the smooth transition between the master suite and the cockpit. A sizable slide-out frequently creates a spacious lounge room with residential-style seats and a dinette in the main living area. With plenty of counter space, top-of-the-line appliances, and clever storage options, the kitchen's design combines style and functionality to make meal preparation enjoyable. The private rooms are just as luxuriously furnished. With a cozy bed, ample closet space, and a fully furnished en-suite bathroom, the master suite is a veritable haven. The entire area is elevated by the use of high-end materials, such as solid surface countertops, fine cabinetry, and fittings, giving the impression that the room is more like a luxury condominium than a camper. With its roomy shower and sophisticated finishes that add to the spa-like atmosphere, the bathroom is frequently the focal point. The new Europa 34SS capitalizes on the fundamental advantages of the Dynamax Europa series, even beyond the layout. Built on a sturdy Freightliner M2106B chassis, the car is propelled by a potent yet effective Cummins B6.7L engine, with the extra advantage of a top-notch air-riding suspension that offers a stable and comfortable ride. This combination guarantees a strong and dependable performance. The seamless fiberglass shell and full-body paint give it a sleek, stylish appearance, and the outside style is both smart and up-to-date. Its useful design is demonstrated by the spacious pass-through storage sections, which provide enough room for all the equipment and supplies a traveler could require. The Dynamax Europa 34SS, with its best-selling floor plan, is essentially a brilliant combination of superior engineering and tried-and-true design. It stands for a car that is more than simply a means of transportation. It is a true home on wheels, providing a posh, cozy, and incredibly practical setting for both quick and long trips. For those looking for the best possible combination of comfort, style, and functionality in the Super C motorhome class, it is an appealing option.